Imagine a world where artificial intelligence governs every aspect of our lives. Does it excite you or frighten you? In recent years, we've seen an explosive growth in AI technology. It's crept into our daily lives in subtle ways, and at times it's impossible to ignore. Consider the healthcare industry. Artificial intelligence is now playing a pivotal role in diagnosing diseases and crafting treatment plans. It's revolutionizing our approach to medicine, providing hope where there once was none. On the other hand, think about autonomous vehicles. AI is in the driver's seat, literally. While the promise of safer roads is enticing, the thought of machines controlling our cars can be unnerving. These case studies reveal the duality of AI. It can be both a boon and a bane. It's like fire, a helpful servant but a dangerous master. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that it has the potential to drastically change our lives, both positively and negatively. In a future dominated by AI, how will we adapt, survive and thrive? The answer lies in our ability to evolve, just as we have done throughout history. As the landscape changes, so must we. The key to our survival in this brave new world is continuous learning and skills development, particularly in areas that are shaping this AI-driven revolution. Take, for example, data analysis and programming. These are the skills that are becoming increasingly important in a world where machines are learning to think for themselves. Understanding these technologies is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity. Case studies such as the rise of online coding schools and the increasing demand for data analysts in the job market serve as stark reminders of this new reality. As AI becomes more prevalent, our survival will depend on our ability to adapt and learn new skills. The future may be AI, but it is humans who will shape that future and navigate its challenges. In an AI-dominated world, who makes the rules and how do we ensure they are fair? This is no mere philosophical query, rather it is a very real and pressing concern. As AI becomes more pervasive, it's crucial that we infuse ethical considerations into its development and use. Just as we have laws governing human behavior, we need guidelines and regulations for our artificial counterparts. Governments and international bodies have a significant role to play here. They must establish frameworks that ensure AI serves our collective good, not just the interests of a few. Let's consider facial recognition technology. While it can help us nab criminals, it can also be misused for mass surveillance, infringing on our privacy. Similarly, the debate on autonomous weapons raises questions about the morality of machines making life and death decisions. In the future, our survival may depend as much on our ethical decisions as on our technological advancements. As we stand on the brink of an AI-dominated future, what role will you play? In the blink of an eye, we've witnessed the rapid development of artificial intelligence, transforming industries, jobs, and the way we live our lives. It's a future that's arriving faster than we might have anticipated, but it's not a future we should fear. It's one we must adapt to, and more importantly, one we can shape. Adapting to this future means continuous learning, embracing change and developing new skills. It means staying curious, staying informed, and not being afraid to step out of our comfort zones. But our responsibility doesn't end there. As we harness the power of AI, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. We must ensure that AI is used responsibly, that it benefits all of us, not just a select few. The future of AI is not just about technology. It's about us, how we adapt, learn, and make ethical decisions. So what will you do?